God is the space between plus and minus. Miracles everywhere. The spiral shapes of galaxies, some bar-shaped double spirals, perhaps with no life, some with water but no life, some with water and life. Miracles everywhere. The wonder of the wings and eyes and legs of ordinary houseflies. The even greater wonder of the creation of the universe's finest architects, garden spiders, with their great silver, lacy, delicate web wheel meant to capture miraculous houseflies, with their wondrously made eyes and wings and legs and nervous systems to be simple food like out of a can, with no caring whatsoever by the spider, hungry because without food for 6 days, for the wonders of the design of the housefly. All miracles made by whatever, some call it God, or not made by anything, just another version of the way plus and minus play themselves out in creation. The alligators, man-eating sharks, hydrogen bombs, plutonium oxide, the most toxic substance in the universe, all made by magic. The magic of polarity, the magic of gravity, the magic of chance, the magic of events, the magic of light waves that do not disappear at a distance, of sound waves that do disappear at a distance, of radiation waves of 1,000 frequencies, of trillions of opposites, that somehow the most compelling space is that between plus and minus, between protons and electrons, between stars and planets, between planets and moons, in the great yet tiny spaces between the 17 separate galaxies of our, quote, local group, unquote, only barely relevant in the unfolding vastness, the neutral charge of the empty space between the plus and minus charges of life and earth and clouds and sky and male minus and female plus, of eggs, of ova and sperm, and all thought up by nothing at all. For if a god or gods created it all, then they would show cruelty as their creations ate each other. Yes, all the miracles of every size, every color, every direction, all existing in the space between plus and minus, where if there's a God, it must be here. It can only be here between plus and minus. It is at the least certainly not in sacred scriptures drawn up for ourselves. It can only be here. It is at the least certainly for only for our one species. No, the universe neither thinks nor is it mindless in any way other than with magic. September 1997.